Going to tell you about with return, the second type of the functions which return some value and pass some arguments. Okay, so you only need to change some thing in function declaration, in caller function as well, and to the function definition part as well. Now I will pass here some variable as well. Let me check. I think some other. It's very slow now. First of all, we will need to change the function declaration. Okay, so I will pass two arguments here for integer type, and for return type I will also use integer type. And here I will declare a variable c, which I will see the result, and I will pass some arguments as well. I just initialize the value 5 and 10 is here, and passing these arguments a and b from some function. And I also need to change these parameters. It is a x and it is a y. Okay. In the caller function, these parameters are known as actual parameters, and in the called function or function definition, these are known as formal parameters. Okay. Now the actual parameter, that is entering from the user or we are directly initializing, and the formal parameters are those are not actually entered from the user, or those are the copied or duplicate from actual variables. Okay, so here I also need to change integer type, and I think we don't need to these things, we can remove these things as well. You can directly from here, and you will add these numbers as well. You will use a variable z is equal to x plus y, and then you will return the value of z. Okay, so you don't need to print this line, so I'm going to remove this line as well. Now you will see I'm going to run this program, but before run I will try to save it. so we don't need to write it again. Okay, I have to display this scene as well. Over to add, print here, here the sum is D and C. Then we will run this code. You will see the output 15 here. Okay, so now you can see here I just pass two arguments from the main function through caller function, and in the function definition I am adding those numbers and returning to the actual parameters. So the z will return to the C and then it will print to the output. So now you can see here's the output. You can also input these numbers from the you like print through printf and scanf and pass these arguments. So these are the second return type. In the next my video I will define the third function type, which is hold on, let me check. So speed is slow today, I'm not sure. The third type is with return and without argument. Okay, so